with wisdom so clear. He taught the Dreamtime soldiers to listen and hear that Mother Nature's power is vast and grand. We must tread lightly on her land, for anything built by human hands can crumble and fall like shifting sands. We must be cautious, we must take heed, respect the earth and her every seed. In harmony with nature we must strive, for Mother Nature is truly alive. The clever man's words echoed far and wide. He warned of the dangers of human pride, reminding us all that we are but small in the face of Mother Nature's call. Her fury knows no bounds. We must be cautious, we must take